Good girl, Meg. Good girl, Meg. A tree that is hollow and has a squirrel in it. This is Meg. She is the daughter of Purdy and Treetop, 4 months old. I've already ran one gray squirrel out of the tree with a stick. As you can tell, the tree has a den. And you can see my stick. I stuck down there. I think there's another one in there. But the other one went up the tree.